I've received my C1 labels for my DJI R2S, and today in this video I'm gonna show you where is the best place to stick them C1 labels to your drone. So let's have a look. So I got my drone here. That's a drone which needs C1 labels to comply with UK regulations, and well, I've ordered my C1 labels around 2 weeks ago and I've received them this week. And let's have a look what I've got here. So basically I got the drone information notice for my drone, which is class, it also says here class C1 label as well. I don't need that. And I got another instructions as well here, which pretty much tells you where to stick the C1 label to your drone. So as you can see here, pretty much telling you that this one needs to go inside the drone and this small sticker on the side of the drone. And let's have a look on my drone how this is going to go. So I'm going to take my drone, unfold, take the battery off, and pretty much this one needs to go on here, I believe, like this. That's it. Take this sticker here. Let's have a look. Okay, gotcha. Other one needs to go literally inside the drone. So you need to make sure it does. It will be a bit complicated to see. So here you go. Trying to match. Not really an ideal. But as you can see here, it's still visible. You still see the new sticker inside the drone. We're gonna put the battery back on, and this one, which pretty much shows you the noise which this drone does. And from these instructions, as you can see here, telling me to put on the side of the drone. So ideally it's either here or here. So I think I will just go, I don't know on which side, probably on this side will be better. I already got a sticker here. Obviously when I bought it brand new, I didn't took off all the stickers. I've just left them ones, as you can see here. We got some here, some here. I don't know why I've left them on, but they're on. So I'm gonna take this one off, and this one little sticker will have to go on the side of the drone. So let's maybe try to fold the drone. It will be easier. That's it, maybe like that, so you can see as well. I'm gonna zoom in a bit, and that, as you can see here, and also from the instructions, you can see here, it needs to go on the side of the drone. Cool. Let's take this sticker, and we're gonna stick it on here. That's it. It's pretty much same as in the picture. As you can see in the picture, it's the same as on the drone. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do, just order your C1 labels for your drone, which all of them, and just follow the instructions. The bigger one will need to go inside the drone, and the smaller sticker will gonna go on the side of the drone. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Again, thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up as well. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, do ask me in the comments and I'll try to reply back to you as soon as possible. And till then, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Have a nice one.